Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this brushless polisher sander from the manufacturer to do a review. It has 6 different speeds. So let's open it up, see what's inside, look at its features. Let's test it out and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, look like it comes with several different sandpaper grits, as well as polishing pads, operating manual, buffing pad, then the polisher itself. As I stated earlier, it does not come with a battery. However, it's designed and equipped to accommodate a DeWalt 20-volt lithium battery. So we'll go ahead and put that in. We'll look at its features. This is the on and off switch, and once you turn it on, it will come on. There's no triggers or anything that starts the buffer, so it actually starts rotating the disc once you turn this button on. Okay, then you have the display here. Once it's turned on, you have 6 different speeds you can increase. Okay, grab the handle here. It does not have a trigger, so we'll go ahead and turn it on, and it should rotate at the slow speed. Now, I don't know if you can see it here or not. It's got speed number 1. You see it's kind of an oscillating disc. We don't have any pads on it. Speed number 1. Speed number 2. Speed number 3. Speed number 4. Speed number 5. Speed number 6, so that's the high speed. And then to slow it down, you can just press the negative button until it gets to number 1 again. Go ahead and turn it off. The pads just stick to this Velcro bottom here on the bottom of the pad here. You have an LED working light, so once it's turned on, you can kind of see what you're polishing or sanding much better. You do have a grip handle on this side as well, so you have this pistol grip as well as a grip here that you can use to have better leverage at sanding or polishing at various angles and corners and so forth. Okay, looking at the sandpaper disc, it does come with 60 grit all the way up to 130 grit. So you have the rough start and then the smooth sanding on there. And again, it's just Velcro, sticks onto the bottom. You just put it upside down and then you're ready to sand. And again, you have a variety of polishing pads. You have this smooth foam pad for applying different polishes and buffers. This is kind of the egg-crated kind. And then this is a smoother, soft for fine polish. And you can use this disc as well for applying different polish. Then you have these little micro buffer pads that slip over this for final polishes as well. It also comes with a pair of nitrile gloves that you can use to apply polish and so forth. Okay, let's give this board I'm going to put the speed of the sander on 5. You can see what little bit of sanding I did just for about 30 seconds. You can see a huge difference. Very good, easy to handle. You have these vents that will allow it to cool. Again, it's a brushless motor. It does not require any kind of lubrication and so forth. These rubber handles helps a lot for ergonomic. comfort. So let's try out the buffer and see how it works. Okay, I'm going to use my truck as an example. I'm going to polish just this half of it and leave this half just to see and compare the differences on there. I'm going to use this egg crate top pad to actually buffer it out. Next, I want to use this polishing pad here. Okay, I don't know if you can see the difference or not, but it did a very good job. You can see this side I used the buffer, and this side hasn't been used yet. So I'm not sure if you can see the reflection or not, but it definitely is much better. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but I have a few white spots here where various doors have banged into the side of my truck. I'm not sure how deep they are. Some of them feel kind of deep, but I'm gonna see if this buffer gets some of these out. Okay, I'm not sure if you could tell or not, but it did get some of the white paint marks off, but some of these marks are deeper than I thought. I think with a little bit more effort, I might can get those out. Okay, I have to say I'm very impressed with this brushless sander slash polisher. I really like the fact that it accommodates a DeWalt 20-volt battery. It has 6 different speeds. It comes with a variety of sanding grit papers as well as polishing disc, and I like the rubber grip handles that you can polish and sand at different angles and to make ergonomic comfort and reduce vibration much better. So overall, I highly recommend this polisher sander.